Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be working in here in the house yet again. So, have some stuff to do to the 6.0. Have some other stuff going on. Y'all figure that out in a video. But what we're gonna do now, hop in the 6.0. We're gonna go get some tape. Then we can come back, start taping stuff up, and get to painting. Okay, so I got started painting over here, as y'all can see, while he was taping along the border. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it right there. So he was taping, I started painting, now he's painting. Apparently I wasn't putting it on thick enough, but anyway, we might have to do a couple coats. There is some spots we missed here and there, sanding, but it's not going to be perfect, but it ain't a big deal. So if anything's too bad, we can always touch it up later on. But I got that one done, and he's got a good portion of this wall here finished. And I guess we're gonna try to get everything all painted today. All right, guys. So as y'all can see, everything is coated. Just one coat. We'll let it dry, and we'll check it out probably tomorrow. See what it looks like. You got some paint on the carpet, and that's not a big deal. Because sometime or another, after all this dries, we're gonna rip this carpet out. We're gonna rip this out. We're gonna rip that out. We're gonna do just in here first, then we'll move on in there. It won't be next weekend, because next weekend we're going to Biloxi, well, Gulfport, for my birthday. So we're not going to be here for a couple days. So it'll be a nice little break. But we got everything coated. So I think working on cleaning up right now. I got a bunch of stuff out there. But I think what we're going to do is we're going to put little Buddy in his cage. Because he's already swatted the wall with wet paint. He got paint on his tail, so we're probably going to put him in the cage for a little bit. That way he doesn't paint himself blue. And I think we're going to go somewhere, and we're probably going to put him in a bedroom. We got window open here, and we've been running this little air conditioner with the fan. So the smell in here isn't bad, but we'll probably put him in one of the bedrooms, and I think we're gonna go somewhere, probably just ride around for a little bit, and being Sunday, we gotta get groceries and all that fun stuff. But I want to help him clean up a little bit, and I guess I'll catch y'all tomorrow and we'll look at everything. Alright, guys. So, I know it doesn't look much different in here, but we got the tape peeled, we got TV back up, we got all this stuff back, got all this back, more business stuff there, but I like it. So we didn't paint the trim, as you can see on that one there, but we didn't paint the trim, but all in all, it looks really good. That is a smudge from my arm peeling the tape. We can touch that up. We do need to get some outlet covers. Want to get some new ones. There was some TV cables and stuff come out of here. We just cut those off. So hopefully our TV works. But we have this one right here, which goes to our direct TV box. So I think that's the only one we needed. So we cut the other ones out. We'll get a cover for that. We need to get outlet covers and whatnot, but here it is. So some of it's still a little tacky, but we'll come back tomorrow. We'll take a look at everything. Alright, guys, so this is the next day. Everything is dry. So as you can see, we didn't paint these, so this is very close to kind of a blue color. Looks white almost on camera, but it's blue. I can see a little more here, but Looks very close, a similar color. Oh, 6-0. That the house was prior. We need to get paint to do this trim here, that door trim here. We need to get a new door. That's broke there and there. It's been broke for 15 years, but we're also going to do the insides of these a different color than the walls. If we don't like it, we can change it, but all in all, looks pretty good. So, I mean, you can see it's not perfect. Over here, it's not perfect. I did that, and there's another one up here that I did right there. That is a handprint from untaping it. But all these spots we can come back and touch up. That's not a big deal. But one coat on the walls. I don't see any light spots. Just, you know, some smudges and stuff from us. And places like that where we didn't sand. But we can come back and touch all that stuff up. What we're going to do right now is we're probably going to go and look. Well, no, probably not. It'd be a bad time to be in Conway. Sometime or another. I need to get some summer clothes before we leave Friday to Mississippi. It's Monday now. We're leaving at like 4 a.m. Monday or Friday. So need to do that and need to pick a color for this trim in the baseboards. We need to get some more outlet covers. We want to do stainless. So anyway, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope everybody has a great day. Hopefully in the next house video, we'll get these painted. We might get a new door. This house has really weird sized doors in it. But we'll probably get these painted and maybe start on the flooring. But guys, I guess I will catch y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.